Hey guys, it's me, Stephanie, and I'm so excited because today I got a new piece of equipment that is for my video, especially for You Matter Stories. And if you don't know what You Matter Stories is, it is my dream, I guess you could say. It's just about storytelling, finding people that are willing to be advocates, and giving a new image to models. For me, I see them as people, and I want to kind of do a different approach to models. So that's what You Matter Stories is. There's way more details for it at the website, youmatterstories.com. Either way, this video is not about that. It is about the new piece of equipment. You know, when you don't have scissors and you use this. I thought I had scissors in here. I got my video set up and everything. Press like if you use a pen to open up things instead of scissors. That's a lot of bubble wrap. It was filled with, oh my gosh, it's just like endless supply of bubble wrap. It keeps going. It just keeps going. Okay, I don't know what. Does anyone know how to pronounce the actual name? Zhiyun. Anyway, it's a 3-axis stabilizer with follow focus on this particular. Of course. Buddy, no barking. The dog barks when he hears a noise outside, and it's just the neighbor getting out of his truck. I got so excited and purchased this online via my paid off credit card, which now has debt on it. But you know, I got a birthday coupon I didn't even know, and it applied it to this. It was 10% off. I thought long and hard, and my boyfriend was like, you know, it might be rough, and I was like, I really want it. So I ended up getting it, and here it is. And I'm so excited because for You Matter Stories, one of the things that I noticed was the hardest was stabilizing my camera without a stabilizer. I started watching reviews, and this one got really good reviews. I think it had like 4.7 or 4.8 stars or something like that on bestbuy.com. Let's get to unboxing before you get bored. Oh my Lanta. Me and my need to not ruin a box. I'm always doing it super carefully so that I don't ruin anything. This looks like a strap. Then we've got anti-slip grip tape. We've got this. Oh shoot. So it looks like it comes in a little case, which is awesome. Quick start guide. Here is the case. So it has the brand name on it. So it looks like they're all placed nicely inside. Just kind of show you here. All the little pieces. You've got the battery charger. I'm like guessing here, and then this little piece pops off, so I'm kind of looking in here too. I haven't put it together obviously since I just opened it, so I don't even know how yet. I'm gonna learn that once I finish here. But that is the gist of it all. Inside of it there's a super tiny thing, and inside of this super tiny thing, which is the cutest thing I've ever seen, are the cords. Tell me that's not the cutest thing. Sorry. I just love little things, and this little tiny compartment that holds the cord is just the cutest thing. So here we go. So this is kind of how big it is in comparison to me holding it. This is a pretty decent size. I don't know if it comes pre-charged, honestly. I'm gonna find out. So I just inserted the batteries, untwisting this. I inserted the batteries inside. The next step is it mentioned the tripod, which comes in the little pack. So we're going to screw on this tripod here to help hold it up. Okay. So you slide the plate off, and that's what you'll stick your camera on. My camera's obviously recording, so we're gonna move on to the next shot using this. Before I do that, I'm just kind of giving you guys a little guide in case you're like, I wonder what it's like opening the box and how to put it together and if it's easy or not. So I'm kind of here just to experience it. But you take this off, and then it says put your camera on it, and then once your camera's on it, you're gonna do a balance adjustment, which is in the user guide. You can turn on the device.